Hi again, everyone. I'm Kaylee from Years Alliance, and welcome to our bird watching rhyme time. Now, I've got a talking tray, and my tray is just a cutlery tray or a utensil tray, so you can use any kind of tray to put different items to talk about on. And because we're bird watching, I've got all our things that are related to our birds. So I've got a little knitted bird that somebody's made me here. But if you haven't got a little bird, maybe you could make one. I made one with some beautiful feathers and a lollipop stick. Oh, I found a stick in the garden and I made a blackbird. It's a blackbird. And I think blackbirds might come somewhere else in our rhyme time today. And when you're bird watching, you're going to need some binoculars. I see you, I do. And maybe you can make some binoculars. We've had our binoculars before for our walking through the jungle. But if you've got binoculars, maybe you could look outside your window or take them on a walk. Maybe you could see if you could see some birds. And I've made something very special for the birds in my garden because I've made a bird feeder. This is just a pine cone with some peanut butter and some bird seed. Or if you wanted, which is really good for your fingers, I've put some cereal hoops on a ribbon. Shall we tidy up and then we'll start? Are we ready? When we're finished tidying up, we'll sing some songs. When we're finished tidying up, we'll sing some songs. When we're finished tidying up, we'll sing some songs today. When we're finished tidying up, we'll sing some songs. And it's all gone. It is all gone. Have we got our wavy hands? Are we ready? Can you all wave at me? Hello, all the boys. Hello, all the girls. Hello, everyone. It's nice to see you here. Can we wave again? Hello, all the boys. Hello, all the girls. Hello, everyone. It's nice to see you here. Well done, everybody. Now we've got to warm our bodies up. We've got to warm our hands and our arms and our shoulders and our legs. So we're going to do a warm-up song. Are we ready? We're going to clap our hands. We clap and we clap and we clap. We clap and we clap and we clap. We clap and 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 we clap. Well done. Can we do a fast clap? Should we do a fast one? Ready? Wow. Can we do a slow clap? Big, slow clap. And a loud one. Wow, that was really loud. Now we've done our clapping, I think we'll do some jumping. Now I'm going to stay here, but if you could jump on the spot and we'll see how big your jumps can be. Are we ready? We jump and we jump and we jump. Really big one. We jump and we jump. Can you reach the ceiling? We jump. Well done. We jump and we jump and we jump and we jump. And we jump, and we jump, and we're ready for a big one. Jump! Well done. Now our last warm-up is a wiggle. Can you wiggle your bodies, wiggle your arms, wiggle your head? Are we ready? Can we wiggle? 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 Can you wiggle? Can we wiggle? Can we wiggle? Can we wiggle? Can we wiggle? Stop. Well done, we did. We went stop. Well done, everybody. Shall we see what's in my songbox today? I've got my shoebox again. Shall we see what's in it? And each time I'm going to pat on my lid. You can clap your hands or you can pat your knees with me. Are we ready? What have I got in my box today? My box today, my box today. What have I got in my box today? Shall we see what's in my box today? Now we're bird watching, so what do we think we might have in my box today? That's right. Two little birds. They are the two little birds. And I'm going to put my little birds there because I know a song about two little birds. I know a song about two little dicky birds, and we're going to use our fingers. Have you got two little dicky birds that you can use? Have we all got our birds ready? Brilliant. And we're going to have two. We're going to have Peter and Paul. Are we ready? Two little dicky birds sitting on a wall. One named Peter and one named Paul. Fly away, Peter. Fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter. Come back, Paul. Can we do that one again? Are we ready? Two little dicky birds sitting on a wall. One named Peter. Hi, Peter. One named Paul. Say hi, Paul. Hi. Fly away, Peter. Fly away, Paul. Where's they gone? Come back, Peter. Come back, Paul. Yeah, they did come back. Shall we see what else I've got in my box today? What are these? Can you help me? What have I got now? They're birds, and they're a lovely black colour, and they're blackbirds. So we're going to put two little blackbirds sitting on the wall. If you want to keep using your fingers for me, because that's really good for our fingers, and we're going to fly away again. Are we ready? Two little blackbirds sitting on a wall. One named Peter, hi, and one named Paul. Fly away, Peter. Fly away, Paul. Oh no! Come back, Peter. Come back, Paul. There they are again. Well done. And if you want to try that at home, maybe you could make some of the birds like I showed you earlier on. And you could have a Peter and a Paul. And maybe you could practice that one. Now I've got one more song in my box, and it is a bird, but it doesn't fly in the sky all of the time. I think these ones you might see on a river. What do we think this one might be? It's a duck. Well done. And what does a duck say? That's right, he does. The duck says quack, 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 quack. Quack, quack. Shall we have a song about our ducks? And I know a perfect song about our ducks. And we'll start with our three again. So shall we count them for me? 1, 2, 3. And we're going to go 3 little ducks went swimming one day. And this is our mummy duck. Are we ready? 3 little ducks went swimming one day over the hills and far away. Mummy duck says quack, 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 but only 2 little ducks came back. We count them again. 1, 2. 2 little ducks went swimming one day over the hills and far away. Mummy duck said, she did, quack, 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 but only 1 little duck came back. Just 1. Should we sing that one? 1 little duck went swimming one day over the hills and far away. Mummy duck said, what did she say? Quack, 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 quack. But no little ducks came swimming back. Oh no, the ducks have all gone. Shall we send Mummy Duck swimming? Are we ready? Mummy Duck went swimming one day over the hills and far away. Mummy Duck says quack, 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 and all 3 ducks came swimming back. Yay, there's all the ducks back. Well done, Mummy Duck. We had to have a happy ending, didn't we? Now, I've got a scarf for our next part today. and I just got a normal scarf. If you've got a scarf or a t-shirt or a towel, and you could do some peekaboo with me. Are we ready? We're going to do Can You Play? Can you play a peekaboo? Well done, Hayden. I can play a peekaboo. Hide again. Are you there peeking? Yes, I am. Pika, pika, pika. Well done. Can we do it one more time? Are you hiding? Are we ready? Can you play a peekaboo? I can play a peekaboo. Boo! Are you there? Yes, I am. Pika, pika, pika. Boo! Well done. Now, if you've still got yours, we're going to do a pika, pika, pika. And I want you to shout boo really loudly at me. Are we ready? Pika, pika, pika. Oh, boo! That's right. Well done, everybody. Now, this is my favourite song, and I don't think my birds could fly this high, but it's one of my favourites. So we're going to zoom to the moon. And if you just hold on to your towel or your scarf, and we're just going to shake it from side to side. Are we ready? Zoom, 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 we're flying to the moon. Zoom, 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 we'll be there very soon. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Can we do it again? Are we ready? Zoom, 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 we're flying to the moon. Zoom, 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 we'll be there very soon. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's gone. Well done, everybody. That was really good. And if you want to try making a talking tray like mine, why don't you have a go and see what you can find? Shall we say goodbye today, everybody? Have we all got our wavy hands? Are we ready? Goodbye, all the boys. Goodbye, all the girls. Goodbye, everyone. It was nice to see you. Here, can we do it again? Goodbye, all the boys. Goodbye, all the girls. Goodbye, everyone. It was nice to see you. Here, give yourselves a super big clap. Well done, everybody. And don't forget to have a look at our www.familycorner.co.uk for some more lovely ideas that you could do in the home. Bye.